guys, I'm Diamond Janae and you're watching Off the Record Fashions. Thank you so much for being here today. As you see, I'm like real casual today, no makeup, like whatever. We're in Las Vegas for one of the biggest fashion trade shows that there is, the UBM Magic Fashion Show. So today I'll take you behind the scenes, you'll see what's going on. Right now behind me, look, you can see all of these buses because they shuttle you from hotel to hotel, and then now we're gonna go inside, so follow along. Okay, so we just did check-in. If you guys look, it's like really cool, the whole process. It's all set up.
We're supposed to see that.
They sent us barcodes ahead of time, and then we went through and they were printed out for us as soon as we scanned them on our phones. And then look, I got my official badge. We're at the
Fashion Snoops.
We're at Fashion Snoops Global Trend Direction Trend Report for Fall Winter 2019-2020. So when the speaker go up, I'll give you guys a quick little sneak peek of what will be coming out for 2019 and 20 Fall and Winter styles. So they have all kinds of tutorials going on. I'm stepping in the middle of this like really cool makeup tutorial, so I'll just show you guys a little bit. I think I'm in the way. Alright, anyway, this is Makeup by Samuel's book. I'm not gonna stick around, but it looks pretty interesting. But yeah. Hi. Look, there's so many stores and everybody's so nice. And look, you see all the stuff in here. You get some innovative stuff. This is pretty. Look, it's all puffy and ruffles. It reminds me of Prince, but it's pretty cool. Then you got like some patent leather. I don't know, like a shirt jacket.
I have more followers than I do visiting my store, and I have good stuff, so I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing wrong.
So my question is, what do you think you're doing wrong? If you were your customer, what would you tell yourself?
Sure.
Okay, so I'll give you a couple places to start. Okay, so number one, I would make sure that your images on Instagram are all hyperlinked and going back to your website. So make sure that's all connected in with Shopify. Get that dialed in real fast so that people don't have to leave the app, right? So you want to make sure that shopping is like really easy. The next thing is really take a look and see how you're producing your visual assets. What does your photography look like, right? Is your photography actually speaking to your customers? Take a look at your branded creative. Right? And then take a look at your Google Analytics. Do you look at your Google Analytics? Amazing. Start to understand where people drop off. Right? What pages are they going to? Where do they drop off? Where are the bounce rates? Start to A/B split test. If you have high traffic coming in, the best thing you can do is A/B split test your website. Right? Or ABCDE split test your website. The average e-commerce website converts at 1.85%. The top 25 e-commerce websites convert at over 6.8%. Right? So you should all be converting at least about 1.8. And if you really want to go for it, shoot for 6. Right? But you need to start to think about getting inbound traffic and then maximizing inbound traffic to convert. If you don't have enough inbound traffic, right, then conversion optimization will make a lot of impact.
Hi guys, we're headed to the Donagers trend report. I don't remember what season this is, but we're just walking through the convention center still. It's been a fun day. It's just been a lot of walking as usual. It's at the convention center. There's seminars upstairs, downstairs. You're walking all over to see all the booths. And like I said, we're having a good time. It's just a lot of walking. So, you know, we're still walking. Still walking. Still walking. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me in Las Vegas at the UBM Magic and Project fashion trade show event. I left out all the partying on purpose. It's early. We're trying to go get some food. We were up really late. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, for following me through an inside look at the UBM Magic and Project Fashion Trade Show in Las Vegas this year. I hope this was insightful in some kind of way. If you're thinking about starting a clothing line, if you are thinking about owning a retail store or an online store, whatever your interest in fashion is, this is a great place to come. I networked with some really great people. I got some really great information. I will do my best to tag the heads of the seminars, to tag some of the manufacturers that I ran into, some of the contacts that I have. I'll do my best to tag them and put them in the description. Don't forget to check us out on Instagram at offtherecord.fa. F is in fashion, A is in awesome, because you're so awesome. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again for watching. Bye.